Hello dear students, so today we are going to learn about the lesson number 6 from your science book, that is called safety and first aid. So we will get to know what is safety and what is first aid. Okay, as we all know, accidents can happen to us all at any time or any place. So in this lesson we will get to know about the safety rules to avoid these accidents. And we will also get to know about the first aid or medical helps to be provided to the accident victims so that the injured person's condition can be improved. So we should always follow some safety rules on road, such as checking both directions before crossing a road or to cross the road only at a zebra crossing. At home, we should keep our toys or other belongings on their proper places. We should not play on stairs. We should keep our bathroom clean. We should never play with fire or sharp object, etc. to avoid many accidents. Okay. So safety from fire. Now comes the next topic, that is called safety from fire. So we should always use proper clothes to hold hot pots or pans, and we should never wear nylon or synthetic clothes in the kitchen or while burning crackers during Diwali. In case of fire, we should keep a fire extinguisher in our home and use it to put off fire. We can use water or sand to put off the fire also. If the fire gets severe, we should always call the fire brigade. Now comes the next topic, that is called first aid. First aid. Here is the next topic, that is called first aid. What is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before proper medical aid arrives. We can give many first aid for different kinds of injuries such as burns, wounds, animal bites, or broken bones or sprains. Okay, we can put the burnt area immediately under cold water and use ointments if the burn is minor. In case of severe burn, the patient should be taken to a hospital immediately. In case of wounds, we can apply antiseptic on it or cover the wound with band-aid if the wound is minor. In case of deep wounds, we can apply antiseptic and take the person to a doctor. In case of animal bites such as dog bites, cat bites, snake bites, especially in the case of dog bites, we should always take the anti-rabies vaccine. And in case of snake bites, a tight bandage should be tied between the wound and the heart to slow down the flow of poisonous blood into our heart. And the patient should be rushed to a doctor immediately if we get to know that a bone is broken. We should not move the part of the body. We should make a support for the part of the body and take the patient to a doctor. In case of sprain or twist in our joints, we should wrap elastic bandages and soak the sprained joint in cold water. We can use pain relaxation ointments also, such as move, Folini, etc. Okay. So remember, it is important to know what to do after an accident, but it is more important to avoid an accident. That is what safety is all about. So these were the contents of this lesson. I hope you all understand the lesson properly. So thank you.